Now let's look at animals, birds, and fish and write their names. And here's our first friend. This is a cute little guy. This is a chipmunk. C-H-I-P-M-U-N-K. That spells chipmunk. See this silly guy? That's a monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. You know what this bird is? This is a penguin. How do we spell penguin? P-E-N-G-U-I-N. That's a penguin. I know what this animal is. Do you? This is a donkey. And we spell donkey D-O-N-K-E-Y. D-O-N-K-E-Y spells donkey. Hee-haw! This is a big brown bear. B-E-A-R. That spells bear. What do we call a baby cat? We call it a kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. She's cute. How many sheep do you see? I see 1, 2, 3 sheep. They're all sheep. S-H-E-E-P. That spells sheep. Bat. Eek! This animal makes a lot of people scream. It's M-O-U-S-E, a mouse. That's a mouse. A big, fat, brown mouse. Do you like dogs? I sure do, and this is one of my favorites. It's a collie. D-O-G. That spells dog. That's a great dog. This is a lion. L-I-O-N spells lion. Roar. Do you see the horse? H-O-R-S-E. That's a horse. Quack, 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 quack. Goes the duck. D-U-C-K. That's a duck. Quack. I think this bird is a hoot. It's an owl. How do we spell owl? O-W-L. Owl. Do you see the bunny rabbit? How do we spell rabbit? R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Ribbit. Ribbit. That's the sound a frog makes. This is a frog. F-R-O-G spells frog. That's a cool green frog. Do you know what this animal is? This animal with the pointy ears and the long, furry tail? That's a fox. F-O-X. Fox. If this were real, I wouldn't touch those prickers if I were you. This is a porcupine. P O R C U P I N E. That spells porcupine. This is a very, very pretty fish. F-I-S-H spells fish. Do you know what this pretty bird is? This is a flamingo. 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 Look at that long neck. E is for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. See the trunk? See the ears? See the big body? Elephant. This animal is found in the desert, and it has a hump on which you ride, and it can go a long time without water. This is a camel. C-A-M-E-L spells camel. How do we spell tiger? I think it begins with T. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. That's the sound of a rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. A rooster is a boy chicken. Do you see this cute little guy? This is a puppy. Puppy is spelled P-U-P-P-Y. A puppy is a baby dog. And a puppy is a great thing to have around the house to play with. I see the long, long, long neck of a giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. That spells giraffe. Here's a baby cow. It's called a calf. We spell calf C-A-L-F. That's a baby cow, a calf. This is a pig. Pig is spelled P-I-G. P-I-G spells pig.